Well, I guess I could screw that one up, guys. You guys could all laugh at me and everything. That was funny, dude. I was trying to change the transition or whatever. Um, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Sunday STOCKcast, man. Um, I appreciate you guys being here, man. Everyone, every week. My name is Cruz Hernandez. I am the founder, head trader, head honcho, El Capitan, as some people call me, and Papi Chulo to maybe your girl, ex, or someone. But I guess I trade some stocks once in a while, semi-successfully. So I appreciate you guys being here. We do this STOCKcast every Sunday. We come in, we just do hang out, man. It's kind of cool to network and just hang out with other traders, other new traders, for free. So I don't charge anything for this. Especially if you're not a member of my room. So I do have a Discord room and a chat room where I do go out and help. And we just kind of come in, make a watch list for the week, go over some technical analysis. If you're having any trouble with your trading, we could go over and I could answer some questions and help you out. So that's what we're here for. I want to get back into having some guests, guys. So if you guys could tell me what guests you want to have on the STOCKcast here with me, let me know, and I will get some I will get some guests. So I've asked a few people, but if you haven't noticed that a bunch of traders, most traders, right, and especially the successful ones, are very quiet, very introverted. They just want to make their money. Just leave me the hell alone, right? So it's kind of hard to get the good, nice traders, successful traders on the Stockcast. But I will definitely try. So anyone that wants to, give me some suggestions on who I should have on the Stockcast and provide some value to you guys, let me know, okay? So I wanted to put that out there. So I want to do more guests like I used to do. I've had Jay Trader, I've had Smash the Bid, I've had Ricky Analog on, which was really cool. So I don't, someone tells me no, I ain't scared to have someone tell me no. So tell me whoever you want, and I'll try to get them on. Thought about doing saying Lucci, dude. I don't know if he would actually do it or not, but it'd be cool to have Lucci on and talk shop. So before we get into everything, guys, I do still have the lifetime membership going on. I did pin the link for you guys if you are not New Age Wall Street member. It's incredible value, $299 you get in for the lifetime in the chat room. It's probably going to be like that to the end of the year until I could. I fired all my social media guys, so it's just me and Charlie doing everything, and it's hard for me to get in and do everything. So it'll probably stay like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and change it for the beginning of the year, and then so then I can have new metrics and stuff. So my analytics will start right on January 1st. So that'll be really cool. Can you guys tell me you guys like this camera angle better? I like it better. You guys don't see my double chins as much, as bad. It's not staring like upwards to me. So there'll be a better background. So like obviously I gotta hang those pictures right there. I keep on forgetting to bring the little things from my house and a hammer. And I'm gonna have some more chairs right here and a coffee table like to kind of hang out. And then I think I'm gonna get a beanbag for this side and like a bookshelf. And then behind me, so there's going to be another desk to the side of me right here, another one or two desks on each side of me. I'll probably be in the middle. And then right behind me, there's going to be 2 or 3 more desks right there too. Same sit and stand desk that I have. So if you want to come trade, there'll be additional like 5 more desks. And once those get full, I'll start putting those in the I'll start putting desk out in the big area out there. So. And I also have the office next door, which is really cool. And then I have my light board, which I'll do like a YouTube video once I have it all going, and do like a little tour thing or something. And I'm going to do like a little pub table, I think, right there. And I need some storage space too. So I have like cords and like camera stuff all over the place. So yeah. What's up, guys? Mike, Ronnie, and Anthony. Yeah, what's up? A chess set. We have a chess set, dude. It's funny because we actually usually play chess in my boy's office. He's on the other side. We have the chess set over there, and we usually whip it out and we play over there. But if anyone wants to play chess on here, dude, we could play like on I think iPhone lets you do it over text message, right, or whatever. Or we can figure it out. So, but I do enjoy playing chess. So, cool, guys. If you guys want to sign up, $2.99 lifetime. Get on it. It's gonna go away, and then you're gonna be crying and be like, "Hey, it was like that for a month." I've had every excuse in the book. Like I've had people telling me like, "Hey, like, my dog got COVID, so I don't get paid till next Friday. Can I go ahead and do it then?" I'm like, "Yeah, bro. Whatever. We could do it then." Not really, but I do get stories like that. And then they don't wind up signing up most of the time. But welcome, guys. I hope did anyone do anything special or exciting over your weekend? The lighting is better from right here too, because like if you guys remember when I had the camera right here on the actual desk, it was pointing up right at, and it would like make me have like a halo from the light, and this is actually way better actually. Good. You fought with your 28-year-old daughter? How do you fight with your 28-year-old daughter, brother? Can I apply to be your son-in-law there, Steve? All right, guys, we're gonna. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot you told me that. We're gonna get into some tickers and stuff here, guys. All right, cool. Did you guys see the futures? So I haven't really looked at the chart. I just kind of got like a notification, but there was news yesterday that the first batch of Pfizer vaccines. What the hell is going on with my chart right here? I don't know what's going on with the chart right there, but there we go. The first batch of Pfizer vaccines is gonna go out tomorrow. They're gonna start vaccinating people this week, and then we had there was another news thing that happened that was pretty bullish too. I forgot what it was, but you can see that we're way gapped up here on the futures here so far, guys. So we're about $2 gapped up on this, like if we were looking at the SPY, right? And we're using this R1 here as pretty big resistance. So if you come and you compare it here to the SPY, you could see, I believe it's yeah, right here. So then so it's up towards these highs. 370 is going to be like our big resistance. I'm pretty pumped. You know, it's funny, like it's a joke right now for between us in the room. I usually stream live on Fridays on the TGIF stream. But you know, a few people have asked me to do it on Mondays, and the action has been actually a lot better on Mondays. So it's nice to be able to put up a nice little lead for the week, and then you know not feel so pressed and be able to cruise the rest of the week too. So especially when you get to Friday, you're kind of tired and just mentally fatigued, and you know you don't have to press that gas pedal. You made your money. You're already on the week or whatever. So that's pretty nice. If you guys have tickers, make sure you put them in the chat. We'll go over them together. Make sure that you're putting in your entry, your exits, and then why you find value in it. Please don't just give me a weird, crazy chart. Please. There was someone last week that gave me a nice chart, and I thought I saved a note. I thought I saved a sticky note, dude, and I didn't. But I wanted to say sorry, whoever it was. No, it wasn't Lemonade. I called out Lemonade. I wanted to say sorry because that ticker actually ran pretty freaking hard, dude. So it was actually a really, really decent call out, and I kind of got on their ass last week about it. So whoever it was, if you remember what it was or whatever, I do apologize. I ain't too big. I ain't too big to take accountability and say sorry and stuff. So Lemonade, dude. Yeah, Lemonade's on my list for this week, so definitely. Zoom as well. I'm gonna go over my tickers and stuff here, guys, and then we'll go over what you have. Let me see here. Money bags. Yeah, welcome to all the new members too. We've gotten quite a few new members in the chat. Where's my list? Oh, there it is. Okay, here's my list. All right, so my first one that I'm going to be looking at, guys, is Twitter. So there was news this last week with Snapchat and Twitter are integrating in some type of way. I'm pretty pumped for that because I don't really use Snapchat. So just when I'm feeling a little freaky and we're sending some pictures back and forth, that's it. I don't really interact on there too much or anything. So, but if it is on Twitter, then that's pretty cool. Then it puts the element of like pictures and other types of media on it, other than the actual words and stuff. So that's cool. I'm really pumped about that. And Snapchat's been really, really super strong. So what I want to point out on this on Twitter is that we have. It's not like a cup. This is you may want to say this is for like NFX. This is your measuring cup or maybe a teacup or something. But you see where we have this left wall, this run up, and then we kind of have this right wall right here, and now we're flagging to the side, and we put in a kind of a top right here on Twitter. So we may put in like kind of a handle if it doesn't get momentum and start breaking above these areas here right away, or even gap up on Monday. We may put in a handle and then continue to go. And if we get over 53, 54, this thing is going to run pretty hard. So if we do get that gap up tomorrow, though, and then above this resistance level right here, I would draw my line in this area right here. Oops. More like right there. So around that area, the 5150 or so. Ooh, that's my favorite number. You guys know why 5150? It's when in California in the hospitals they say you're crazy, and that's whatever. Anyways, so yeah, this area, the 5150 to 52 right here, this is where you're looking for it to break above, and then for it to continue to go. This will be pretty cool because I've been trying to concentrate on smaller price tickers for you guys. I'm hitting the microphone a lot. I hope it's not messing up the sound. I apologize. I've been trying to concentrate on smaller price tickers and stuff for you guys, especially with smaller premium, and this will be a nice good one. So, all right, cool. Then, so along with that, obviously we're going to be looking at Snapchat. The reason why I like Twitter more than Snapchat is because Snapchat has just been on fire. It's already broke out, dude. It's already above right here, and then it needs to pull back a little bit. I mean, obviously it has the potential to get to I think it'll get to 55 and then pull back. But that is this one's already broken out, and it's already has the momentum, and it's already kind of extended. So I think the safer play is more like on Twitter than on Snapchat. But dude, this thing has been absolutely awesome. Darian in the room has been loving this mover here on Snapchat. But you play Snapchat and Twitter side by side now, which is really cool. Kind of like you'd play Penn and DKNG and those other ones and stuff. Oh, look, we broke out. We broke above the thing. Oh boy, bro! If we wake up at 3,700, bro, I will be impressed. Cool. So that's my first one. My second one, I already have a position on, guys. We talked about this the last couple weekends, but it's Peloton right here. So you can see where we are doing this ascending triangle. We had one hard day right here, the whole market, kind of pulled back, and that's okay. We came back and validated this as support, and now we're back here to break above this 118. And then we get above 120, we're gonna get screaming here pretty quick. This is like my most favorite play of the day. The premium got eaten up a little bit for me. I think I started this day before last or something, but I do already have my position here on Peloton for this to break to the upside and start chugging along. So the only thing with that is that Peloton was kind of more of a stay-at-home ticker, right? So it was a COVID ticker or whatever. So we'll see how it's affected now that with all the vaccine stuff and things, opening back up and everything. So I don't think it'll affect it very quickly, So it's going to be some time until, dude, I don't think we get to a somewhat normal back until July or June, dude. The scarcity and stuff of the vaccine, and even the time frame that because the vaccine you have to take in 2 doses 3 weeks apart, so it's going to take some time. I agree, Steve. So I agree. So is 118 your pivot? What'd you say? I can't read. Is your pivot then? There's not an actual pivot mark, but that's our breakout point. You can see right here, I already have the line where this is previous support, right? So previous support, and then this is going to be our breakout. So it should pop up above to 120, come back, validate, and then as support, right, that 118, and then continue going further up. I'm really excited for that if it can make that move. So I already have my stuff up. Let's see, my next one. A lot of my stuff is like smaller price, like tickers that I don't usually play this week. Usually, you guys know me, Tesla, Amazon, and Zoom. Usually, I'm playing all the time, but this week I don't really see a lot going on with those. So, on Zoom, we may see. I'm gonna go over Zoom here in a little bit. I see you guys calling it out, but give me a second. Where did my note go again? There it goes. Okay, so the next one is Fastly. So Fastly keeps on trying to break above this 100. It's getting really aggressive right here with these higher lows, and you could see where it's making this ascending like pennant triangle right here, right? So you guys want me to draw you a picture? No, you guys like the pictures here? Something like that, right? Or it should go down a little bit, but you can see the ascending right here, and then the breakout above 100. And then if we zoom out, right? So then if we break above the the 100 area, the 98 to 100, then we have this gap area right here all the way to like 120, and we could get that momentum for this to run up. So been kind of leaving it alone. I see some guys in the room, playing this intraday and doing really well. But I think we're ready. So I think we'll be ready tomorrow or Tuesday to get that breakout. Looking pretty nice right here on Fastly. So that's all these ones. So Twitter, Peloton, Fastly. These are like my main ones that I'm looking at. And then I have one more for this, and then I have like a maybe, like just dude, my hat was all. I didn't do my hair today, guys. So then I have like a maybe type list, just to I'm interested, but not 100%. 100%. On my watch list. So the next one is on my one that looks really good right here is we called this American Airlines, I think last week or the week before, guys. And someone take this trade here on the ES for me, please, on the crossover. This is our room play right here. Bam, there we go. It's going to hold support now and then take off. All right, so on American Airlines, I think we started getting in like at 14 or something like that. And then our target was 20, but we started flagging against the 18 or so. And you could see we're already starting to signal compression right here on the TTM. It just has to hold around the 1650 or so area. And then I do believe 20 is on the menu for it to get up there. And the cool thing about that is that with all the vaccine stuff, right? Usually when we get vaccine news and stuff opening up news, airlines, Boeing, leisure stuff tends to run. So this should give us a pretty nice gap tomorrow, and then and give us a really nice push. So another nice small. I got hiccups out the blue, dude. So this should give us a nice little move if we could break out of this little like flag and compression right here. Cool. So if that's on your list, and then I have my maybe list. So I have Tesla. Obviously, everyone is still looking at Tesla. I thought I got rid of all these lines. I don't need all these lines. So we talked about this a lot in the room during this week, right? About the 700s getting bagged, and I know that there's still 700s sitting at December 18th expiration, right? So, but they got the ones that for the weeklies this week, right? Because this ran on Monday, and everyone was buying the 700s for weeklies, and they bagged the shit out of them. But then when they started pulling back, everyone started buying 600s, and it's funny because they kept it right above that to be able to let the 700s expire worthless, and then also the 600 puts to expire worthless. Which kudos to them. I would shake the market maker's hand, whoever did that. But I do believe that. So part of that, right? So part of why it pulled back and everything that happened is they did an offering. So they sold some more shares onto the market, and I think they're done with that. So someone had posted an article, and I think we looked at the BAMSEC where they're done with the offering. So now there's not that supply that is going to be hit anytime this tries to run up, right? So, and we're above 600. So we're above 600 in the 620, I believe. So yeah, I think we closed at like 607 or something. So this definitely has potential to open gap up tomorrow, and then and get going pretty aggressively. So obviously we have hard resistance around the 650 area. 621st, 650, and then I have 675 December 24th calls. Cool. Cool. But don't get overzealous on it, dude. Don't count on it. That's why I have longer dated calls than weeklies like I usually do. So that's one of my maybe lists. We talked about Snapchat, right? So Snapchat. So this we already talked about as it being really strong and a little bit extended. If it does pull back, right, and gives us an entry, then absolutely. So that's what I'm saying is like my maybe. We need an entry. We need it to pull back a little bit. But we already went over that. And then who played Disney on Friday or on Thursday? Thursday, Friday. Everyone do really well in Disney. So Disney wasn't even on my radar, and we have a guy named Bags in our room, and he's really doing really well in the room, hitting 5-figure trades left and right, and just absolutely killing it. So, excuse me, guys. On Disney, they had their like Investors Day, and they showed how many subscribers they had for their Disney Plus. And we had a really nice gap up overnight, right? So after hours into the morning. And then this just kind of did like a dip and rip and then kept on going. 180 is really nice. Obviously, 200 is going to be the magnet now, right? But we don't know how quickly and how aggressively it's going to get to 200. So I do believe it will get there, but it's just how and the timing of it getting there. Dude, this is working out pretty nice. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to like 170 or so, kind of fill in this area, and then try to make a move. If we hold 174, what you could see is a pretty nice support around in this area that it proved throughout the day on Friday, and then also right here, and then after hours, that would be absolutely awesome. And then for it to continue going, but it is a little bit extended. Just from the gap and everything. So, I mean, this is 154 to, 20-point move. So 20-point move, that's 10% on the $200 ticker, right? It's a little bit more than that. Yeah. So that's why it's on my maybe, is because it is extended. If it pulls back and gives us a nice, entry and shows us that it's going to continue trend, then absolutely I do like it. But I think that, dude, traders and investors, man, we have attention spans of freaking squirrels, bro. So maybe people just forget about this by tomorrow and start playing other things. So we'll see. So Disney, and then I have Lemonade, bro. This is one that we called out here last week. This was freaking awesome, bro. This was a nice trader for us. Very nice. I missed it the first time. The first time I got to like 98 on this day, I missed it because I wanted to play like 2 weeks out in order for it to just run its ass off. And the spread on it on the calls, I don't remember what strike I was looking at, but it was like $1 or $2 on a this small of a ticker. Just it was a no go for me. So but I did get it on this day right here. So I believe if I come in like this, it did give like right here, dude. This was a beautiful setup right here. They gave this compression, and then it gave us this next move here to the upside, and just kept on chugging along. And even right here, like I think someone in the room was able to get in on this little like flag right here, and just chugged right along through 100, and then 105 is where I wanted, where I got out, I do believe, and then some people just trailed some up here to 110. And now it's pulled back to like 92. Yep. So 92, and you can see like where all this volume has been done, right? So if I come and kind of highlight this is where all your volume. Oops, that was horrible. So kind of in that area, maybe a little bit lower. So it made chop around sideways right here, but I do believe that it's gonna want to break above that 100 and try to go back and retest back above again. Oh, he's telling me bye. It's crazy because like he's wearing a hoodie and a mask and it's dark out there. Scare the hell out of me. Cool. So still looking at lemonade, guys. If we could hold around this 90, 92 area, I expect this distribution up here towards the 100, right? So you guys know the market cycles, right? Accumulation, expansion, distribution, and then selling to the downside, right? So contraction. And this is your distribution pattern here towards this 100 where people are taking those profit against the 100. And then we want people to accumulate on these dips and then get that breakout back up to the top. Bueno. Cool. So those are all mine that I'm looking at, guys, for this week. I'll put like my little note thing right here if you want to like take a screenshot of the thing or whatever, and then you could say, "Oh, you're an idiot, Cruz. These didn't do nothing all week." So these are my main ones, and then these are the ones that are also these are my maybe ones. And then obviously we have so Apple, right? We have ones like Apple. Apple has hard resistance at 125. Kind of building this compression here sideways, 123, 122. I am not playing this stupid thing anymore, dude. I've lost like maybe $5,000 or something on this just on premium chop. I'm not doing it no more, bro. So if you guys want to play it, great. I think it's definitely going to get to 130, 140, maybe 200 by next year. Who the heck knows? But I'm not playing it no more, dude. Fuck that. Oh, damn it, dude. Now I got to put up money in this word jar. Cool. We'll go over Zoom. So Zoom, I'm kind of scared for, dude. I want to see what happens with this, bro, because usually anytime that this dips, the dips get bought up pretty aggressively, and this is like our line in the sand, like kind of our so right here is our neckline, this 345, 350 area, but this is a really hard support area in this 375, 365 area. You can see where in the past it's held the support. One more time right here. I think we may get one more pop up to like this level. You can see where this was support this day, right? It's going to act as resistance towards like one more pop over 400 and then go down. So now with the whole vaccine stuff and people potentially going back to work and whatever, Zoom may come back down. It was a big COVID ticker and stay at home stock. Cool. So definitely on watch, but it hasn't been a really good trader as of lately. So we'll see. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it throughout the week too. The next one, Lemonade, Zoom, we went over those. Yeah, so I think we get one more pop, like you said there, Mike, and then 350 would be a good target, right? So this is where we pull back this time, and then we have a gap that it'll want to fill down to the 300. So maybe some longer term puts. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, and AMD, I was actually looking at AMD as well. I like, honestly, there's a lot of tickers that I do like, guys, but there's, I just can't, I can't put a huge ass watch list of all these, all these things. But I was looking at this kind of two ways, right? So this is kind of like a big, big flag right here in this area, but then this looks like a little bear flag, so it went down, back up. If it hits 92 and it can get above 92, I could see it rejecting and coming back down. If it does hold and then break 92, I could see the move to try to get to 94 again and for this to break out. So I do see the case, and I did look at this. I did look at this ticker when I was doing my analysis, and I could see where the resistance is going to be this 91, 70 to 92. If we open up gap up tomorrow over that, then we should get a pretty nice move. Facebook was another one that I looked at as well, dude. They keep on getting sued by everyone. I actually watched The Social Network last night. I've seen it before, but it's always a good movie. But Facebook, dude, I could see where there's support at 269 right here, bro. It did come down, and this is on a downtrend right now. We need if it's gonna make another move up, needs to build some support against this 270, I do believe, and then go. So cool. And then that is it, dude, for the ones that Amazon is a piece of shit this week. I don't know where my boy Simpson is tonight. Usually my boy Simpson is in here asking about Amazon. Hope he's all right. So Amazon, the dude, is not really doing all too much. I'll mention a few other tickers here, guys, that I did look at. So like Baba, right? So Baba's putting in this compression here again, right, on the TTM. You can see where it's holding support at this 259, 260 area. And if we could get some type of catalyst here for this to start moving up to 275, that would be freaking awesome again on Baba. And then what was the other one? Oh, and then obviously DKNG. So DKNG and Penn. Dude, I like the way these move, bro, but I never take positions on them. And I wish I do whenever they're running. But you can see signaling compression already on that uptrend here. Needs to break out above this 52. I do like DKNG. I believe this thing will get to 100 by July. Does anyone want to bet me? I'll bet you a taco. Let's see here. And then obviously Penn, right? So Penn is I don't necessarily say the inverse of DKNG, but you can see where it's starting to. So this was previous resistance, right? Around in this area, 75. Now it's holding and compressing against it, and then we could start seeing like a little cup pattern right here to try to curl back around right here on this Penn, and then make its move to 100. So I bet you a foot long. Oh, there's Simpson. What's up, brother? I thought someone got you, bro. I thought you got margin called or something, bro. But yeah, so Penn is gonna get to 100, dude. It's just a matter of time of how it's gonna get to 100. But I do like this. So if it could hold around this area. Boeing, I did also look at as well. I do like it, dude. Especially with the vaccine stuff. So pretty nice little flag and like kind of like down wedge area right here. So if it could hold this 228, this or even this 225, could start curling back up and make another move to the upside right here. Cash money, he said. Buy me a foot long. That's where's Darian? Darian and his foot longs over here. Anyways, I do like this here, dude. I think it just needs a little bit of rest. You could buy the dips right here, down in this area on Boeing, and go. So that is a really nice call out there, Ronnie. Okay, cool. Microsoft has been in consolidation mode after an uptrend since July 2020. Looking at the TTM squeeze and the full stochastics, looks like the consolidation might be coming to an end soon. So, few of you OGs and things, you guys like these Microsoft, but in my opinion, dude, it just doesn't move fast enough. But this thing, bro, like this thing is like sideways as hell, bro. So very nice distribution pattern, right? So if it does hold this like 209 area and it's up at like 213 right now, starts breaking above 215, absolutely, dude. So start trying to load up there and make that move. So I like the way you're thinking there. It is something that I would potentially take if this was a ticker I played. S&P futures gapped up. I like to see it come down first and now fill the gap before midnight Pacific time and then curl up towards pre-market. Oh, that's bags. Yeah, I could see that, dude. Like we can make the case for it anyway, right? So this is why I say, like, holy shit, I don't know if you guys heard that. So we're right off like the main street right here, the office right here. It's right. So Central's like the main drag, like the main street, and everyone goes and cruises on Sundays. So there's like lowriders and all the what do you call them? Tacuaches, all the tacuaches, que no quema cub, like, and they're doing burnouts and everything. So that's what that was. Cool. What I was talking about, that's absolutely right, dude. We see the futures open up the way that they are right now, and it could be a totally different story. Who knows? Maybe Trump dies overnight, or Biden dies overnight, or freaking something happens, dude. God forbid. But there's always that unaccounted for piece, and anything could happen overnight. So please don't get too overzealous. Remain money biased and just play the price action that's given. DBX news and maybe on acquisition. I don't know what the heck this is. DBX. What do they do? Dropbox? Ooh, I use Dropbox. DBX on news and maybe an acquisition target. Oh, I think Microsoft or Google was trying to get them, weren't they? I don't see really any other news right there. But yeah, this has some decent momentum to it. I mean, yesterday, on Friday, it went from 21 to 24, right? So that's 10%. And yeah, it definitely has potential. I like it, dude. Just make sure that you are playing some. Watch the liquidity of the contracts that you're playing. If you're playing options. If you're not playing options, then you're just playing equity. That would be cool too. Has anyone been playing Nio and Nikola? Look at Nio on the downtrend here. It may actually lose the support here in this area. I haven't looked at this. And also Nikola. Ooh, Nikola dangerously close to breaking this support too. So I do like this here. Bro, if it breaks that, it's getting back down to $10. So got out early on Friday. Yeah, dude, it happens. Does anyone have any other tickers? What would you recommend to a friend starting with a 2K options account? I would honestly, you can start with $2,000. Obviously, that's what I started my account that I have with now, right? But bro, why make it hard on yourself? You know what I mean? Like if you could go and earn, right? Just save that money, right? Save that money. If you could go and earn another two or 3,000, start with 5,000. It's night and day being able to trade with 5,000 as opposed to 2,000, dude. Opens up a lot more tickers that you could play. Streaming, brother. What's up? You want to tell everyone hi?
What?
I talk about you all the time.
Oh, you're on.
This is my boy Adam right here that he does the tattooing on the other side. Here, guys. What's your Instagram? VSOP?
Yeah, VSOP.
VS,
Studios.
yeah, VSOP Studios on Instagram, guys. If you guys want to check out his tattoos, he's I would say you're the best artist in New Mexico, right?
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
Well, I gotta ask you for something in a while. That's why.
Oh, shit.
What's up, bro? Cool.
Just watching the game. I'm about to start working.
Oh, cool.
I'll see you in a bit.
Do you see my thing?
Oh, duh. I did. I'll come by later.
Watch, turn off the light real quick.
All right.
I was showing him the light board. The guys in my room.
Oh, yeah. I think it's bad.
I took out those other LEDs that were fried, and I just used the ones that you gave me, and
They work?
yeah.
They work well?
I just want to
Were the
get
other ones
another
brighter?
thing. Huh?
Were the other ones brighter?
Yeah, the other ones are brighter, but it's okay. Whatever.
Like I said, if you want to run another one on the side, we could tuck all this. If we just run another edge on the outside.
No, it's okay.
It looks good.
Cool. Thank
like
you.
it.
Let's see here. Yeah. So what I was saying is, having a $5,000 account and starting with $5,000, is night and day to $2,000. It opens up a lot more tickers that you could be able to play. You don't have to wait like towards the end of the week to be able to take some of the trades and stuff. And I think the discipline of you making that money, right? If that makes sense, the discipline of you making an extra, being patient and starting with another $2,000 to $3,000 transfers over to your trading, right? So if you're patient and you have the discipline to be able to make that additional money to start with, then that transfers over to you actually trading successfully as well. So that's what I would say, and that's my recommendation for most people. So you start getting anything bigger than that, people think that you could swing your dick around big size, and they just wind up taking bigger losses on the same things. Do I think Nio's going to move with Tesla? No, I don't think so. As you can see, Nio's down. Nio is down right here. So like it's been like in this downtrend, right? And then if you compare it over here to Tesla, Tesla's been really strong. So I know Tesla's like kind of in a rest period right now, but it's still in a really nice uptrend. They put in this higher low right here, right? And this is NIO is consistently putting in lower highs and also lower lows. Welcome, Cesar. And then XPEV, I don't know what dude, all the EV vehicle stuff and everything, dude, I don't know what the hell it is, bro. So I apologize, I don't know all of them. But this looks like crap too. So if this breaks $40, it'll get down to 35 pretty quick. And then there's a gap right here. Can you see the gap? So if you hear like bangs, he's probably skateboarding, dude. He's probably over there on the scooter and skateboarding. All right, guys. Any other tickers? Anything else you guys want to go over? Also, just to let you know, while I'm waiting for someone to reply or anything, I've been playing with a lot of you guys that say that you use Cheddar Flow over like Flow Algo, and I think the main motivator behind that is price. And I get it, dude. I get it. I even had one person say that they were just taking the trial of Cheddar Flow, and then they would get a new email address every 7 days, and get a new email address every 7 days, and then pretty much just had it for free, and they forgot it 1 week and they got charged, and I was like, dude, that's your fault. You're scamming them. So I'd be upset too if you're working the system like that. So. But just to, what I'm saying, why I'm saying that or whatever is that, I've used all of them now, right? So I've used Flow Algo, I've used Black Box, I've used Cheddar Flow. There's another one too. I forget what it's called. And honestly, Flow Algo is still, my favorite. I really like the AI, right? So I like being able to hear, and use another sense instead of being able to just staring at the Cheddar Flow looking for sweeps and blocks. And honestly, and I think Cheddar Flow is actually working on this right now, but they put out a lot of sweeps, dude. They put out a lot of stuff. They're gonna work on a filter to be able to go ahead and narrow it down a little bit, and because Flow Algo gives more significant flow than what Cheddar Flow does. So they're just like machine gunning all this information, and Flow Algo is more like snipering, like what is actually significant. So just to let you guys know, I think it's one of those things where you get what you pay for. I love the Flow Algo. It's $150. If you guys can't, I think you can make your money back on the Flow Algo, $150 if you're using it for your trades. It's one of the tools we use. So I do think that you can make that $150 back, and then the difference between that and Cheddar Flow, I think it's like $50 or $75. So it's not whatever. I would too. I would too. They are way overpriced, and cheddar flow is way better. I gotta disagree, brother. I I did my due diligence to, you guys. I think even you've been here long enough where I would come in and talk shit about cheddar flow and not even, give it a chance. Just because who the fuck names that app cheddar flow, dude? Like it's have some self respect. Put some respect on my name. And anyways, dude, I tried it. I tried it and I tried using it and stuff, and I don't like it. So um, the AI does it for me, dude. I can't get rid of Tiffany. Follow the cheese, he said. So Juan said, "Can we look at Amazon?" Yeah, we kind of talked about Amazon earlier. It's not really doing anything. It's more in this. It's more so you guys, like I said, you guys know the market cycles, right? So accumulation when you usually have like a sideways, right? So it would be sideways, and then you have expansion, which this is here on your Amazon, and then this is your distribution right here of this kind of going sideways. Now you could see we're starting to put in this like, um, oops, that's the wrong one. We're starting to put in like this pennant, like in this triangle. Um, Area like this kind of. Do you see that? So we're getting super tight against this 3100. We have to make a decision on which way we're going to go. And I really don't want it to go down. I would love for it to see it break out. And this almost looks like the triangle for the way that Tesla was. Um, right now, dude, the if you're playing options on it, the premium is just like gets eaten up really bad. Like we need, like I said, we need some momentum above 3120, 31, 3160, 3180. Honestly, the big tell will be 3200 if it could stay above 3200. But it's just a sideline for me right now, dude. Um, don't see that. Don't see the chart. What do you mean you don't see the chart? This one right here. You just get turned on by Tiffany. Yeah, bro. I mean, anyone that makes me money, I'll do whatever you want. Yeah, this is Amazon right here, Steve. PFE, obviously, bro. Like, I don't play this, dude. But this thing is probably going to be gapped up to like 45 tomorrow, probably. We'll see. So right now, it's you can see where this was previous resistance in this area, right? So if I go and I grab my little box tool right here, I would say like right here is your area of interest, right? So this is where you want it to bounce against this 41-ish area, right? And obviously we're probably gonna, like I said, gap up tomorrow, and then just keep on going. All right, guys. Anything else I missed or you guys see value in for this week? Disney. We went over Disney. I don't know if Bags is watching, but we did go over Disney. Yeah. That's it for me. I think we go. Oh, one last one, dude. Oh, Lulu's a good call too. One last one is Roku. Man, this thing has been awesome, bro. This thing has been a great mover. It kind of sucks because like when it was around in this area, dude, like it just did not want to break out, and I didn't like trading it. Like I think I just got turned off like in this area because it didn't want to break out, and then it dipped and screwed me, right? And then ever since then, it's just been on a rampage, like $100. And we talked about this last weekend, right, on the STOCKcast, about it breaking above 300. So about it pulling back, I think. So this would be Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, right? So we talked about the dip right here, the dip to 290, and for it to break above 300, and this thing did not disappoint. So I think it's really hot. It needs to pull back a little bit, but it's not. It's cool to see the way that it's moving and stuff. It is like it was a stay-at-home type stock, COVID stock. So we'll see. but the thing's hot, bro. Fubo. I like the Fubo, dude, because you could do live sports and pay-per-views on though. I used to use that. So yeah, we went over Dropbox already, and then Lulu is a good one. Oh, what happened right here? Oh no, I mean it had earnings. Yeah, so this kind of sucks, dude. Like, uh, so it's funny because I already had this line here, and I think it's because I have it lined up with like this area, and so obviously this would be our area for it to hold this 344 ish area 330 342. And then if it could start curling back around for it to go up, I really like Lulu, like I said. I think some big companies should pick them up. Reebok, Adidas, someone. Puma would be cool. Who owns Puma? But this is putting in a higher low again, so low, higher, higher, and then higher, and then so this is definitely within trend, right? So we need to, just get some more accumulation down here and make that move here again towards that 400. So I do like it if it could hold 340, like I said, 344 and then 340 if it could hold those, and then make another move. So yeah, and here this is that kind of distribution here thing again against that 400 again. Fuck, dude, my nose tonight. Fubo. Same thing right here. People taking profit against this 30 right here, dude. If we could hold this 27, then absolutely. Not something I usually trade, but I wouldn't get. The thing is I say don't get too excited about it and watch this thing fucking just rip to like 50 or 100, bro. So yeah. Did anyone trade Airbnb or Dash this last week? DoorDash? The IPOs? So on ABNB, right? So I don't know why the Airbnb ticker never comes out right for me, dude. Anyways, I was just curious. I think both of them are already down like 10% from their IPO price, which is nuts, dude. So, all right. I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I think I have a Zoom meeting right here after this. I haven't eaten like all day. I've been cleaning this office and putting LEDs and everything all over the place, and so I'm gonna go do that and hang out. I did the Airbnb. It wasn't good. Yeah, dude. Number. So I'm actually gonna write that in our OneNote for the room. Is that do not trade IPOs. Just made $10. Hey, that's taco money, dude. Like we say in our room, we call it taco money. So, the way I like to play IPOs is so usually like they'll start to trend down after a little bit, and then once they actually base out and they put like a nice compression on the base, then to get in on the upside for it to run up. So like kind of like something like Peloton, right? If we look at right here. So it got ran up, and then it came down, put in like this nice base here towards the 20, and then it put in this ascending triangle right here. You see how this is resistance right here on this on Peloton, and then it broke out. And dude, come on, man! I mean, that was a awesome move. Cool, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Been awesome hanging out with you guys today. We have TGIF stream on Friday. If you guys want to come hang out on Friday for the TGIF stream, we'll trade live together. And, you get to, I'm going to work on the OBS this week. So someone please remind me I'll work on the OBS. So then you guys could see the actual chat, the way it goes through in my Discord, the information that gets put out there as well, the call outs and stuff on the TGIF stream. It was like that until I got my brand new computer, and then I lost all that stuff. So, I'll make a new one this week, and then what's the so I was just looking at say the chat room is $2.99 for lifetime right now. The link is pinned at the top if you want to sign up. So, dude, it's cheap as hell, bro. Like people charge $2.99 a month in some places. So, $2.99 for a lifetime, or $179 for a year. You could go to newagewallstreet.com and sign up for the yearly one there, newagewallstreet.com. Or the link for the $2.99 is up at the very top. So it was kind of cool because I had like 2 or 3 guys that signed up with it this week, and they're like, "Oh, I made my money back on my very first call out that you did." So oh, cool. Welcome, Juan. Where are you from, Juan? I'm from California, bro. Yeah, a lot of my members are from YouTube. They find me on YouTube and they wind up signing up and stuff. I don't do any type of paid advertisements or leads or anything like that. All my stuff is like organic. So a lot of my members sign up off of my YouTube videos and stuff like that. So, but yeah, we'd be honored and happy to have you guys. I'm not gonna leave it like that forever. Ooh, I just kicked the camera. Gonna leave it like that for a little bit. If you want to sign up, like I said, $2.99, and we'll get you rolling and being a successful, consistently profitable trader in the room, right? Bronx, awesome, bro. Yeah, Anthony actually. So it was funny. Anthony actually found me on YouTube, signed up for my room, and then within the same week, he flew halfway across the country to trade with me live for 2 days, and then jumped in a van and went on a tour of New Mexico. Everywhere. So I had like what was it, like 5-7 members come in from all over the country, and we did a workshop. Here in my office, and we traded live together. So it was really cool that Anthony did it. So he signed up, and like that very week, he's like, "Hey, I'll come out and trade with you guys," and everything. So. But yeah, lots of members in New York as well, dude. I will go out to New York in 2021, dude. 2021, I will go to New York. Hopefully the COVID restrictions get relaxed. I heard you guys just got put on lockdown again. They closed all the restaurants and stuff again. So, but I will go out to New York because there's a ton of members out there in New York. And I would love, if you guys want to network amongst yourselves, there in New York, that you guys are New Age Wall Street members, I would love to see that. So, as well. Dallas, dude, we're going to do Dallas this next year too. So if you want to come where I'm at, right, and I'm not just going somewhere else, we will have a meetup, and I should probably start planning that. We will have one in Dallas this year. Cool, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go eat, hang out. And we'll see you at the open tomorrow. We'll see you on Friday for the TGIF stream, all right? See you guys.